Welcome back to Rena MoMoney Plus. I'm Rena MoMoney, and today we'll be talking about how to dominate in real estate on Craigslist. How Craigslist can be your best friend in real estate. Let's go. Okay, remember we said that there were several ways of getting motivated sellers, cash buyers, several ways of getting the marketing started, but Craigslist is definitely one of the best dominating tools. Craigslist will help you get the traffic going, getting the people to know you, and you getting to know people. So today we're going to talk about how you can dominate, the strategies that you can use to dominate Craigslist to help your real estate business. In using this method that I have for you, you will start to get calls, a flood of calls. You will get buyers calling. You will get motivated sellers calling. This is the actual calls that you want to start dominating in real estate. Start with Craigslist. As we jump right in, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already and press the like button. If you have used Craigslist for anything, let me know. There's a lot you can use Craigslist for, and ads, free ads. If you want to get mentioned in my next video, subscribe now if you haven't already, because I will be randomly selecting some subscribers and mentioning you in my video. Before jumping right in, I want to give a shout out to Ralph Sylvester, for being a supporter. Thank you for supporting the channel and subscribing. Thank you, Ralph. Keep listening, stay tuned, because we got a lot of great videos coming your way. Okay, few strategies, few quick steps of how you can dominate. You want to post on Craigslist 3 to 5 times. Yes, 3 to 5 times a day. And you ask, how do I post 3 to 5 times when I only have 1 or 2 email addresses? Well, you get 2 or 3 more email addresses, another address number, and you post 3 to 5 times a day. Posting 3 to 5 times a day will make you a staple, and you will get motivated sellers and cash buyers. Be sure to post in your city, post in the cities and the locations that you're going to be investing in, because there are tons, thousands of people go to the Craigslist every day, especially investors. The secret is to post in these 5 different categories when you go on Craigslist. One area is you want to post in real estate for sale. Make sure you post your ad in real estate for sale. The second is real estate services. The third is real estate wanted. The fourth is real estate owner. The fourth is real estate by owner. And the fifth is in the general community. You will start getting calls if you post 5 times a day in those 5 categories. You want to make sure that your title is direct and to the point. With posting in these 5 categories, you can't lose. Get directly to the point. You will definitely start getting calls. If it gets too much, get your virtual assistant to help. But to save you money, you want to definitely do this yourself. Set up different emails accounts, and post an ad. Posting in these 5 categories, you will absolutely dominate on Craigslist. So if I've helped you in any way, if this video was helpful, please smash the like button. Put in the comments exactly which area that you found that works the best, or if you've already started on Craigslist. Subscribe if you haven't already, because that really helps out the channel. Please subscribe, and I would definitely have some random shout outs. Another great tip and tool, a nugget for dominating on this Craigslist. Remember on the last video I told you to get a picture of an abandoned house, have a picture of a nice house, and have a picture of a dream house? These are ways you can dominate in real estate on the Craigslist. I'm available for one-on-one, so if you would like to schedule a coaching call, please look below, look in the description below, and look at the link and schedule a coaching call. I'm available to help you out and help you become a better you.